blinking orange lights, ink indicator and paper jam indicator. And also in the Epson status monitor indicates the printer's inkpad is at the end of its service life. And nozzle test print indicates broken lines for black ink. Let us resolve the problem. We have L3158 here. So let's turn it on and plug in to the laptop. Go to Start, Settings, and then Devices. Go to Devices and Printers. And let's right click the printer. Select Printing Preferences. Go to Maintenance tab. And select Epson Status Monitor. This is where you will see the error message of that orange blinking on your printer. Printer's inkpad is at the end of its service life, so this means we need to reset the inkpad counter. Open the resetter program. Select natin yung model of the printer and the port. Select OK and go to Particulars Adjustment Mode and select Waste Inkpad Counter. And let's check the counter if it's really reached its 100%. So there, we can see that it's already 100%. Let's put a check mark on main pad counter and then let's click Initiate. Click OK. And it says we need to turn off the printer, so we're going to turn off the printer. There you go. And then click OK. And then OK. And then let's turn on the printer. The lights are blinking, so it is resetting the printer. And when the blinking stops, that means it's already finished. There you go, it stopped already. So it means to say that the reset is already finished. Let us check if the reset was successful. Let's check main pad counter, then check. There, as you can see, it's 0, 0. So this reset was successful. Let's close the program and let's have a test print. Let's select the printer, right click on it and select Printing Preferences. Go to Maintenance tab and click Nozzle Check. Let's wait for the dialog box that says Print. Okay, let's click the print. And let's wait for it to print. Oh, we have a bad print. We have a clogged print head. Let's try to clean that. Let's click Clean and Start. And let's fast forward it so that it will not consume your time. There we go. Let's load the bond paper. Click Print Nozzle Check. Click Print. And then fast forward. We have an improvement on the first cleaning, so let's just continue to clean. Click Clean and then Start. If there is no changes from the first print, the second and third print are all the same, then you need to proceed to power flush. But if there is a change like this one on the second test print is we have a good result. So just continue that until it becomes good. Once the cleaning is finished, just click print nozzle check and click print. There we go. We have a perfect test print. There are no missing lines. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for watching that video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, hit subscribe and the notification bell as well so that you will be notified. Shout out nga pala kay Auntie Virgie Binyahan Alagon na ating nirepair ang kanyang printer kahapon. Shout out na rin kay Richie Chumakog na nag-sponsor sa repair ni Auntie. And shout out na rin kay Cathy Bagilat na ating i-repair ang kanilang printer mamaya. So bilad muna tayo bago rumakit.